Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard English subject. Lesson number 3, The Bangle Seller. The Bangle Seller. In previous class, you have learned the girl lost her new doll. In this class, you are going to learn how she got it back. I rushed to get the money from my mother, but when I came back, the bangle seller had disappeared with my doll. Bangles for dolls go inside the house to bring money for purchase. When girl went to collect money with their doll near mother, that time the bangle seller had run away. My doll, oh my doll, I screamed. The girl screamed, my doll, oh my doll, and ran to my mother. Mummy, the bangle seller has taken my doll away, my new doll. The girl screamed and ran to her mom. The girl said, Mother said, why did you give her doll? The bangle seller, why did you give it to him? She said and rushed out to look for the bangle seller. Mother said, why did you give her doll? That girl started crying. Tears rolled down my cheeks. My mother consoled me and warned our neighbors to be careful. The mother told her to stay away from, be careful. That night I sobbed myself to sleep. Let the girl stop herself to sleep that night. I woke up early the next morning. As I sat beside the window, I noticed a man walking towards our house. With him was a little girl. The girl woke up early the next morning. When the girl was looking outside the window, a man was going on the road and there was a little girl with him. The man stopped. He said something to the girl and handed over a packet to her. The man stopped him there and packet in hand. The girl tiptoed towards our gate. The man stopped him there and gave him some packets in the hand of the little girl. The girl ran away from the route. Hurriedly, I went downstairs and asked the girl, who are you? What do you want? The girl ran away from the route and asked the girl, who are you and what do you want? The girl quietly opened the packet and there was my doll. Oh, it's my doll. Where did you find it? Storyteller said. Oh, it's my doll. Where did you find it? She spoke as if she had not heard me. Take your doll back. The man standing over there is my father, the bangle seller. I was surprised when he brought me such an expensive doll. Storyteller was surprised when he brought the expensive doll. I could not say a thing. Soon the bangle seller stepped forward and said in a low voice, Child, please take back your doll. I took it for my daughter Lata. She refused to accept it when she heard I had stolen it. When I stole it and went to give it to my daughter, it refused. My mother came hurrying down. When she heard the story, she said, Here's some money, bangle seller. Buy a doll for your daughter. As they went out of the gate, Lata turned back and smiled. I waved to her and she waved back. Lata went to back, watching smile, and I came my house. The girl came house. Now it's time to take the some keywords. First one is disappeared. 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 Meaning of disappeared, no longer seen. No longer seen. Second, screamed. Meaning of screamed, made a loud cry on being hurt. Made a loud cry on being hurt. Next, third is consoled. 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 Meaning of consoled, comforted. Yeah, comforted. Next third is warned. Meaning of warned, made someone conscious of a problem or possible danger. Next word is sobbed. Meaning of sobbed, cried noisily, taking short breaths. Next word is tiptoed. Meaning of tiptoed, walked on toes. Walked on toes. Next word is expensive. Expensive. Meaning of expensive, costly. Next word is clasped. Meaning of clasped, held tightly in hands. Next word is grabbed. Meaning of grabbed, seized suddenly or roughly. Next word is waved. Meaning of waved, move from. Move from. Now we will do some exercises. Write true for T or false for F. First sentence is the little girl was playing with balloons. The little girl was playing with balloons. And this sentence is false. Why it's false, students? The girl was playing with balloons. This sentence is false. Why it's false? Because the girl was playing with their doll. The little girl playing with their doll. Second sentence is she wanted to buy bangles. She wanted to buy bangles. This sentence is true. She wanted to buy bangles. This sentence is true. Third, the little girl selected orange colored bangles for herself. The little girl selected orange colored bangles for herself. This sentence is true. The little girl selected orange colored bangles for herself. This sentence is true. Fourth, the bangle sellers wanted the doll for his daughter. The bangle sellers wanted the doll for his daughter. This sentence also true. The bangle sellers wanted the doll for his daughter. This sentence is true. Fifth, the bangle seller's daughter did not want to return the doll. The bangle seller's daughter did not want to return the doll. This sentence is false. Why it's false, students? Because the bangle seller's daughter to return the doll. Return the doll. The bangle seller's daughter did not want to return the doll. This sentence is false. The little girl selected orange colored bangles for herself. This sentence is true. Fourth, the bangle sellers wanted the doll for his daughter. This sentence is true. And fifth one, the bangle seller's daughter did not want to return the doll. This sentence is false. So students, now it's time to take the homework.